Let's make Vaseline, and this Vaseline you see in this video is suitable for both kids and adults. Not just that, this Vaseline was made with some ingredients that make it so skin friendly. This Vaseline promotes wound healing, give you supple and soft skin. Aside from the fact that you're sure of what you mix together to make this Vaseline is super rich to the skin. So let's get right into the tutorial. Now you get a pot, and in that pot you put some quantity of water and place your pot on your heat source. So you don't need too much heat, just low to medium heat, it's okay. So you need this because we are going to make use of double boiling method for some of our ingredients. So you need heat resistant container like the one you see, or if you have anything like this, but make sure what you are using is strictly dedicated to making of skincare or any other thing, like you are not using it to eat. So the first thing we are going to measure is our petroleum jelly. As you can see in this video, this is what petroleum jelly look like, and we need 175 grams of petroleum jelly. So after measuring your petroleum jelly, go ahead and drop it in your heat resistant container, just like you see me do in this video. Then we'll go ahead and measure our wax, and for my wax I'm using emulsifying wax. So you can use any cosmetic grade wax of your choice, or the one that you have available. You can use paraffin wax, but right here I have e-wax known as emulsifying wax. So this is what it look like, and I'll measure the quantity I need. Just 15 grams to make this um Vaseline. I don't want my Vaseline to be extremely hard. I want it soft and supple. So I'm still going to incorporate some other oils into this Vaseline. Then go ahead and add your wax into your petroleum jelly measured earlier. Then you take it to that water that is on your heat source and allow it to like melt. So you don't just leave it there. You go there once in a while, stir it together so that everything will combine together properly, just like you see me do in this video. So when it's almost ready, just go ahead and measure your paraffin oil. So this is what it looks like. And for my paraffin oil, I am going to just measure 60 ml of paraffin oil. 60 ml of paraffin oil. So that is what you see me measuring. So after measuring my paraffin oil, I will go back and check the one I'm melting. And can you see everything has totally melted, right? So at this point, I'll bring it out from that water, so we don't need the heat source again. So another thing I'll be adding is LANOLIN. And aside from LANOLIN, I will also add my vitamin E oil and LANOLIN. You will see some of the function on the screen. And I will also add one other oil to this Vaseline. So for the LANOLIN, I will take about 8 to 10 grams and add it into my melted wax and jelly. Then stir it and allow it to melt before I proceed to the next step. You can actually add this while on the heat source, but I don't really want the heat to act on it, so that's why you see me adding it after. So it might take you some time before it's dissolved. So but make sure you add it immediately you bring it down. Then after that, I am going to add my vitamin E oil, just like you see me do in this video. Then after adding my vitamin E oil, I will add my paraffin oil. And for my vitamin E oil, I use just 5 ml because of the small quantity I'm making. Then I will add coconut oil. So for my coconut oil, I'm using 10 ml. However, this is totally optional, but I want the Vaseline super rich to the skin. So that's why I'm using all these things. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are mostly welcome. Then the next thing is to add my fragrance. And for my fragrance, I'm making use of pear. So you can use any fragrance of your choice. Please do well to join this wonderful family by hitting the subscribe button and put on your notification bell. So right here, I have my container, and when you are making your own Vaseline, please make sure you have where to put them before you start your production so that it doesn't get solidified before you transfer it. To all my returning subscribers, I sincerely want to appreciate you guys for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you so much for always liking and sharing my videos. Please don't forget to like and share this video with your loved ones So this is me transferring it into my jar. You can get all this Vaseline container or this type from some of these chemical stores. So after transferring it, I will leave it to solidify, and after solidifying, see how beautiful our Vaseline is looking. Can you see there's no crack? This is so soft. This type of Vaseline help to lock in moisture, promote wound healing, give you a youthful look, and help to reduce wrinkles. So this is me trying my Vaseline on my skin, just to tell you that it is not harmful. It is very safe for both kids and adults. So this is me trying my Vaseline on my screen less than 24 hours after making it, guys. Can you see it? Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video to this very end. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and put on your notification bell. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.